it now. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! Now let's disassemble the front loader. Keep going. Perfect. Now we can fix it. The tire is torn. It needs to be patched. Pick up all the junk with pliers. Arrow. Hexagon. Crescent. Square. Drop. That's it! Connect the pump to the wheel. Magnificent! Pump it, pump it! Keep going! Yay! It worked! There's something wrong with the wires. Use a hammer to break the locks. That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. That's it! Plug the wire into the right place. Red, yellow, blue, green, green, blue, yellow, green, yellow, green, green, green. You fixed it! Let's level them out. We need to remove the rocks with pliers. Awesome! Use a hammer to level out the dents. Excellent! Magnificent! Weld the cracks. Smooth the glue along the cracks. Super duper! Awesome! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. You solved the problem. All done. Now help to assemble front loader. Keep up the great work. Let's improve the car. construction site. Let's go! Let's go! Keep going. Keep going. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Congratulations.